that's 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I really put a lot of effort into this. Hi. Hello to my 29 subscribers. What is up? How's quarantine for you? Mine's like my friend and his girlfriend made a clothing company called April 5, and I honestly thought it was one of the cutest clothing brands I've ever seen. So I obviously supported their brand and purchased a hoodie from them. So I got the box on April 15th, and here's me with the box, and then here's me with the box cutter opening up the box. And it was a really much of a struggle to open this up, and I don't know how. Okay, here's the hoodie that I ordered. It's orange, and here's me trying it on. So here's me in the hoodie. It's very brighter than I thought it would be, and yeah, it's orange. I don't know what else to say. It's very comfy. Good job to y'all. Okay, I got my friend's senior portrait, and he wrote me a letter in the back, and here he is. He also wrote that I was really good at League, so I'm just kidding, I actually suck. But here he is on my whiteboard, and then here's the hoodie design up close. It's very cute, very aesthetic, and then, okay, I don't know what else to say. Bye. Next day rolls around, and I decided to put on makeup to make myself look pretty. And I also wanted to do a small, like, shoot with the hoodie, because I think it would look nice in front of my tangerine tree. Yeah, that's the word. So here's my tangerine tree. It's real. A lot of people thought it was fake, but it's actually real. And here's me trying to pose, looking somewhat decently cute. I don't know. I really tried. Yeah. And then these are the pics that I actually liked. Other than that, after that, my mom caught me. That's her. And then that's my dog. And then I decided to go skateboarding around my neighborhood, and I had to wear a mask because I don't want the coronavirus. So yeah, here's me skateboarding, and the only good clip of me skateboarding right here. And that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please support Christina and Avery and their company. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.